Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to compute for the outstanding balance loan. So let's start with the formula. We have P is equal to R times the quantity. So for the numerator part, we have 1 minus the quantity 1 plus J. And we have a to the negative exponent, which is also as a quantity, and minus K. And the denominator part is just J. Now, what are these variables? So P will be the outstanding balance, R will be the payment, and J, okay, here, the J here, will be I over M, where I will be the rate. So like 5%, 10%, and so on. M will be the frequency. I will discuss it later after this slide. So we have N. So N is equal to M times T. So we have M is frequency, time, T is the time. So we just multiply time and frequency to get the variable N. For K, that will be the end payment. So in the problem, you will see first payment, second payment, third payment. So first is 1, second is 2, and of course, third is 3. Let's go to the next one, frequency. We have M. So in the problem, you might see this one. Annually, if it's annually, that will be 1. Semi-annually, that will be 2. Quarterly will be 4, monthly will be 12, weekly will be 52, and daily will will be 365. So let's have the first example. Mr. Santos have taken a loan from the bank that offers an interest rate of 12% compounded monthly. His monthly amortization for 10 years is 15,000 pesos. How much is the outstanding balance after the 8 payment? So let's place all the given. So we have R is equal to 15,000 pesos. I will be 12%. And T is 10 years. K is 8 because it's 8 payment. M will be 12 because of the word monthly. So J, how to find J? So remember I over M. And N is equal to M times T. But before that, let's change 12% to decimal form. So that will be 0.12. Now, let's solve for J. So J is I over M. That will be 0.12 over 0.12 over 12. And simplify that one, that will be 0.01. Next, we have N is equal to MT. So M is 12 and T will be 10. So 12 times 10, that will be 120. Now, since we already have the given, let's place the formula. So we have here the formula. So R is 15,000, J that will be 0.01, N that will be 120, K that will be 8, and of course J is also 0.01. And substitute the values. So if we're going to input in the calculator, make sure you use brackets. Use brackets. These brackets are very important. So the calculator will know what what kind of operation to be prioritized first. What will be or which will be prioritized first. So the final answer to this question will be 1,007,850 7,850 pesos and 0.107. But since this is money, so we will round it up since this is 7. So the final answer is 1,007,850 pesos and 11 cents. So this is how much is the outstanding balance after the 8 payment. This is the answer. Let's move on to example number 2. Teddy borrowed some money from a bank that offers an interest rate of 10% compounded semi-annually. His monthly amortization for 5 years is 30,000 pesos. How much is the outstanding balance after the 9th payment? So let's place the given. We have R is equal to 30,000 pesos. I is 0.10. T is 5 years. K is equal to 9 because of the word 9 payment. 9. M is equals to 2 because semi-annually is 2. J is equal to I over M and N is equal to MT. Now, I've already changed the rate. So 10%, that is 0.10 in decimal form. That's all for J. J is equal to 0.10 over 2. So that will be 0.05. For N is equal to MT. So M is semi-annually. So compounded semi-annually, that will be 2 times 5. 2 times 5, so that will be 10. So since we already have the given completed, let's place the formula. So R is 30,000, J is 0.05, N will be 10, K will be 9, and J is also 0.05. Now, for this one, substitute the values, and again, if you're going to input it in the calculator, make sure you use brackets or parentheses also. So the final answer for this one is 28,571.43 or 28,571.43 pesos. So the question, how much is the outstanding balance after the ninth payment? The answer is this one. And that's the end of the lesson on how to compute for the outstanding balance loan. If you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, please comment down below. And if you need help with your assignment, I'll do my best to answer it as long as it is related to the topic. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also please click the bell notification so you will be updated on my future videos about math and language. Thank you and goodbye.